Good morning, students of class 3. I am Rajeev Kumar from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan, Wadipur, Darbhanga. Today, I am going to dictate you some word meanings. Okay? Today, I am going to dictate you some word meanings from the lesson My Big Fat Cat. It is a poem I had taught you in previous class. Okay? First word for miles around. Okay, note these words for miles around. FOR for miles. MILES miles around. AROUND. Match the words again. For miles around. AROUND around. Okay, it means in the neighborhood. Here in the poem, this means in the neighborhood. Neighborhood, write the spelling of neighborhood. NEIGHBOURHOOD. Okay, match the words again. NEIGHBOURHOOD. In the neighborhood. In the neighborhood. Okay, NEIGHBOURHOOD. In the neighborhood. Okay, another word, talent. 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 Okay, TALENT. Talent. Talent means a natural ability, a natural skill, a natural, NATURAL, natural skill, SKILL, natural skill or ability, ABILITY, ability. Okay, talent means a natural skill or ability. Okay, note these words. Talent means a natural skill or ability. Another word, keeps at it. Keeps, 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 keeps at it, it, keeps at it. Here in the poem, it means continues eating, continues eating, CONTINUES, continues eating, EATING. Okay, continues eating. Keeps at it means continues eating. Okay, another word, a ton. Ton, TON, ton. Ton, it is a measurement of weight. Okay, 10 quintals make a ton. You know, 10 quintal makes a ton. But here, a ton means a lot. A lot. LOT. Okay. Another word, sigh. 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 Okay. Sigh. It means a long breath. A long breath let out to show sadness. Okay. Sigh means a long breath let out to show sadness. Long, you know the spelling of long. LONG, long. Breathe, BREATH, R E A T H. Breathe. Let out. Let. Let. Out. Out. Let out. To. To. Show. 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 Sadness. 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 Sadness is an abstract noun. Okay, it is obtained from sadness. Okay, sigh means a long breath. Okay, a long breath let out to show sadness. In other word, accidentally. Accidentally. ACCIDENTLY. Accidentally. Match it again. ACCIDENTLY. Accidentally. Okay, it means by chance. Here in the poem, this means accidentally means by chance. By chance. CHANCE. Okay, today's work is enough. Thank you.